Hello, hello! Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, and I am so happy you are here today. We are learning English together, one step at a time. And of course, I'm here with my favorite co-host, Josimar. How are you, Josimar?
Hi, Luana. I'm doing great. I'm a little tired because I said yes to too many things this weekend, but I'm happy to be here.
Oh no, that is actually perfect for today's topic. Today, we are talking about a very important skill, how to say no politely.
That is so important. Sometimes beginners feel they must say yes because they don't know the right words to say no nicely. They don't want to be rude.
Exactly. Today, we will help you set boundaries at work and with your friends. Let's jump in. So, Josimar, I have a big favor to ask. Can you help me move to my new apartment this Saturday? I have 20 heavy boxes.
Oh, wow. Luana, I'd love to help, but I'm actually visiting my parents this Saturday.
Oh, I see. What about Sunday? We can do it in the morning.
I'm afraid I can't. I have a football match on Sunday morning. Maybe another time?
No problem. I understand. You're a busy man. Let's talk about work then. Did you finish that report for our boss?
Not yet. Actually, our colleague Sarah asked me to help her with her project, too. I don't have enough time.
Josimar, you need to say no to Sarah. If you are too busy, you can say, I'm sorry, I'm tied up right now.
Tied up? Like with a rope?
No, it's a phrasal verb. It means you are very busy and your time is tied to a task.
Ah, that sounds more professional than just saying I am busy. What if my boss asks me to work late on Friday night? I want to say no, but he is the boss.
Good question. You can be polite but firm. Try, I'd like to help, but I have a personal commitment. You don't have to tell him exactly what you are doing.
Personal commitment. I like that. It sounds very serious and respectful.
Okay, Josimar, let's look closer at the English we just used. There are two main ways we say no in a soft way.
Right. We almost never just say the word no. It sounds too hard or angry in English. We use a softener first. Example, I'm afraid or unfortunately. Usage, I'm afraid I can't come to the party. It makes the bad news sound softer.
Yes, and another trick is to start with something positive. I'd love to, but, or that sounds great, but. Why? This shows the other person that you want to help, but your schedule is the problem, not them.
This is great for work. If you can't do something now, offer a different time. For example, I can't do it today, but I can help you on Tuesday. Luana.
Exactly. It's not a no, it's a not now. Let's look at 5 key words and phrases from today. 1. Tied up, phrasal verb, very busy. Example, I can't talk on the phone right now. I'm tied up in a meeting.
2. I'm afraid, not, expression. A polite way to say I'm sorry, but no. Example, is there any cake left? I'm afraid not.
3. Commitment, noun, a promise to do something or a planned event. Example, I have a family commitment this evening.
4. Boundaries, noun. Limits you set to protect your time and energy. Example, setting boundaries at work helps you relax at home.
5. Maybe another time, phrase, a polite way to decline an invitation. Example, I can't go to the cinema today, but maybe another time.
That's all for today. Remember, saying no is a superpower. It helps you stay focused and happy.
And it doesn't make you a mean person. Just use your softeners and be polite.
Your challenge for today, practice saying I'm afraid I can't out loud 3 times. Get comfortable with the sound.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.